Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Thursday and I usually do quick and easy. This one's easy, but it's not really a quick one. But there is not going to be a video on Christmas Day, which is Sunday. So I am doing a regular box today to share because I thought we were going to all need some kind of a thank you, because after Christmas we're all looking for either a thank you card or a treat we can give somebody. So I am sharing this one right here. It says thanks a bunch. I love this set. It is going to be available January 5th. This is also a new one coming, and you saw it in the haul if you checked out my haul. So it is called Sweet Citrus. So you can make these oranges, lemons, you can make them grapefruit, any kind of citrus, you can make them because you can just change the color. And I'm using the little flowers, I'm using the thanks a bunch in here, and I am using the Sweet Citrus dies. This is a bundle. If you get the bundle, you save 10%. So also with this bundle comes the embossing folder, and this embossing folder is amazing, y'all. It is so good. I didn't think it was going to be this nice, but if you can see the detail in it, I don't know if you can catch it on the video, but it is so nice. So on this one you get the stamp set, the dies, and the embossing folder in the bundle. And I am using the dies to cut this out, and this is the die right here, and it cuts them all out at one time, which makes it so nice. And then the flowers are right here. So we are using all of those and this complete bundle. So I'm also using the Day at the Farm. I know this is a different one to use for this, but I love this pattern. So this is actually the back of this one with the fruit. This is free with a $50 purchase. So if you get the bundle, you can get this paper free because it is in our celebration brochure. I love this paper. It goes with another bundle that we have on the farm, I think it's called. But look how adorable this paper is. It's got the little chicken wire on this side. Look how cute it is. I did show this also in the haul, but it is the back side of that one that we are using for this. All right, so this is what I'm sharing. I actually have some lemon candies in here. I got these at Home Goods. They always have the most unique candy, and I love to pick it up because I like to have different kinds of candy. So it is, this is the top of it right here. Lemon flavored hard candies, but they're so good. But I thought this would be perfect gift for someone you've gotten a little gift from, like our neighbors always give gifts. So I thought this would be really cute to hand out to either a neighbor or a friend, a coworker who's given you something, anybody. It's just so adorable. So that is what I'm sharing today. I'm using the Orchid Oasis today for this, and this piece is 8.5 by 6, and then you need a piece to stamp, which is this basic white, and I am using the thick for this, and I love the thick basic white. It's just so good. So I use the thick for a lot of different things. So that is what we're using. We're going to go ahead and stamp first, like I always do. And the colors that I'm using today are going to be Daffodil Delight and So Saffron. I wanted 2 different colors just to give it a little bit of balance. And I am going to use my Stamparatus for this. And I have it all set up already here. I'm going to actually turn this around. I could have used my other plate, but when I started doing this, I didn't have it out, so I decided just to turn it over, because you have a lot of surfaces with this. No. So I need to wipe that clean first before I try to stamp it, because I got something on it. Alright, that should be ready to go. And we're going to put our paper in here. Y'all, if you haven't gotten this Stamparatus yet, what are you waiting for? It's such a good tool. Alright, I'm going to use I think I'm using the Daffodil Delight for the center part. I think that's how I did the other one. because this is a little bit lighter. And we're going to use that for the center. And then I'm just going to flip this around because I have it all set up the way it should be. Hopefully it's going to still line up. Yep. I'll move this out of the way. Make sure that still lines up there. Well, now that I moved it, there we go. That works. So I'm going to use the So Saffron for this part. There's not a huge difference, but it just gives just a little bit, it offsets it just a little bit. This tool here is a miracle worker. I love this tool, and this I linked in the description below. And it is the things that I use that are not Stampin' Up. I actually got that off of Amazon. So we're gonna press this down a little bit more because there we go. I didn't get the whole little lemon here. So everything there is ready. I'm going to stamp the flowers as well. I'm going to use my Memento Black because I'm coloring these with the blends. I'm just going to stamp those right there. I'm not going to stamp the centers because I actually put our matte dots right here. So I'm not going to stamp the inside, but it does have where you can stamp the inside. So I'm just using the dark and light Orchid Oasis because that's the color that the paper is. So I'm going to do the light first. And I'm not going to pull you in because did you see what happened to me the last video? Luckily, you could still see everything. But I always forget to zoom it back out. I don't know why I do that all the time, but I guess I get into the coloring. All right, and then I'm going to just shade it just a little bit with the dark. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below and share because all those things really help my channel and I appreciate it so much. I didn't make my 50,000 by the end of the year, so I am still waiting, y'all. And when I get there, there's going to be a big giveaway. So, and then before I do that, let's go ahead and stamp the thanks a bunch because I can do that with the Memento Black as well. And I'm just stamping it on this one right here. I just stamped right over it. Just like that. And I'm going to use my dies that I have. And here's the flower one. I'm going to use that one here. And then this one cuts this whole section out. Isn't that great how that cuts those all out at one time? I love it. All right, so I'm going to put that on. I'm going to take this to the cut and emboss, and I'll be right back with them. Okay, here's all our pieces ready to go. We're not going to use this little one right here, but we're using these 3 pieces right here. I'm going to set these all aside now that we have everything ready to go, and we will do our box. Okay, so we are going to score this on the 8.5 inch side at 1/2, 3.5, 4.5, and 7.5. This is a really easy box, y'all. And then this side we're going to score at 1/2, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. That's it. If you're new, I always put the inspiration sheet on my blog, so you can go there, download it, and print it, so it has the measurements of everything that I have on here now. We're cutting these 4 on the corner here off. I'm going to do the same on this side. Everything we do on one side, we're going to do on the other. Then I'm going to cut in here and in here. Cut these top part 1/2 inch pieces off there and off this side. I'm going to cut into these. This side too. And then this one's going to be our inside flap, and I'm just going to cut those there. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Cut the tops off. I'm going to cut in these, and then cut in these. And then I am going to cut in this one too. And this top one as well. All right, let's get this cleared out. And that is what it's going to look like, just like that. All right, we're going to sharpen all these score marks. Don't ever skip on that part where you're sharpening these, because it needs it to be nice and sharp and really nice, makes a really nice box. So we're going to put Stampin' Seal Plus on all of these glue tabs here. I'm going to pull these up, line these up really nice, straight. And then there's the little inside flaps right there, because I love that because it helps hold the top up and it looks more professional. I'm going to grab some of these and put them in because I am actually using these boxes. And it fits like 6 pieces. But you can find lemon candy everywhere. You can even use the lemon Jolly Ranchers or something like that would work. So we're going to mat the top with this piece, which is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. And this one, I really think I like this side better. Not crazy about the dark background on that, but let's see if I got the front, yeah. Okay, now let's put these other lemons on here. They're ready to go. So first I want to tie a knot with my baker's twine. This is the 2022-24 baker's twine pack, and it comes with all the colors, the white and all the new in colors. So I'm going to tie a bow with this and have it ready here. And we're going to put this one down first. So this one I'm going to just lay flat. On here. Then I'm going to use dimensionals, and we are going to pop up both of the other ones. So I'm going to pop up this one first. Put that there, and then this one. We're going to put here. Move this one over just a hair. And then I'm going to use a glue dot. And I'm going to put this right in between that little spot right there. It's going to go like that. And then we're going to put these on, and you can use a glue dot on these, or you can use some Stampin' Seal. I'm going to put that right over that bow there. And then these little ones, I'm going to put one down here. You don't want to cover your sentiment. And then one on this side. And I'm going to trim these. And then I'm going to take my dots here. I'm going to use the lighter ones on here. So I'm going to use one big one for the big one, and then I'm going to use two of the smaller. Right there. And that is it. Isn't it cute? I love this stamp set. This bundle is so cute. So there you have it. All done and ready to go to someone who you want to thank. All right, everyone, here's the December host code. Like I said, this is not available until January 5th when the new catalog goes live. If you do not have a demonstrator and you need a catalog, please contact me. On my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, there's a request a catalog up at the top. You can request that, fill it all out, and I will get them out. I have a package of catalogs. I already sent a couple packs out. I have a couple more coming in, so they will go out as soon as I get them in. And if you have your own demonstrator, please ask your own demonstrator because it is getting so expensive to send out catalogs. So that's why I say if you have a demonstrator, just want to explain that. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy New Year. I'll see you before New Year. But for those of you who don't come to every video, I want to wish you a happy New Year's as well. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.